Let's check the message of this new moon. New moon which fell on 8th August 2021 on the sign of Leo at 16 degrees. So new moon में क्या होता है? New moon, let's see from here. So new moon में you have the sun and moon coming together because they both are together at one point. So new moon में you get focus. आपके माइंड में एक फोकस आता है एंड यू आर एबल टू डिसाइड थिंग्स. दैट्स वाई न्यू मून इज़ द बेस्ट टाइम टू set intention for the coming days. New moon energy is felt for around 15 days, starting from before the new moon and ending towards the full moon. So that 15 days you can feel those energy changing in your life, and it is because of this sun and moon coming together, because sun is your energy, sun is your focus and moon is your institution. मून इज़ आपका माइंड जिसमें कि आप तो व्हेन इट्स न्यू मून यू ऑलवेज हैव दिस टू थिंग्स कमिंग टुगेदर. सो नाउ you can decide something because you have full focus on one thing. Your mind will not tell you other things, and your mind and your soul will be at one place. So from this point you can decide something. You can set intentions, what is the good and bad for you. You can set intentions. Now it is happening in Leo. Leo is the strength card. लियो में क्या होता है? लियो इज़ अबाउट द स्ट्रेंथ बिकॉज सन इज़ द एनर्जी गिवर टू दिस होल वर्ल्ड. बट हाउ सन गिव्स दिस एनर्जी? बिकॉज ऑफ द डिसिप्लिन, बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स ओन डिसिप्लिन, how it tames itself. Like every day it keeps rising at the particular time, so it has that inner strength of discipline. So this discipline, only by this discipline you can tame yourself, because the strength card is, you can see that you are taming the animal, the beast that is inside all of us. So that beast can be conquered by compassion and love, but also by being in a strict discipline. You have to make sure that I want to do this, and then you go for it. You don't you take it as a challenge, because strength is about all the challenges that we face. So take it as a challenge and take yourself as a challenge, because whenever you want to achieve something, it is you versus you. It is not the world versus you. It's always you versus you. So you have to first tame yourself, and from that strength you can conquer the world. You cannot tame the world, but you can conquer the world. The strength comes from within you, because it is happening in 16 degrees of Leo. Another thing interesting is this Leo, it is happening in Leo Aquarius axis, right? Because whenever something happen, it is no zodiac sign is like a particular, no zodiac sign is isolated. It always comes in the pair, like a axis. So the strength and Aquarius strength and the Leo and Aquarius axis is the strength and star. So that what does it show? The message is, when you have the strength, when you are ready for the challenges, then your wishes are fulfilled. You are able to fulfill your wishes. And it is happening at 60 degree Leo. So because Leo has 3 decans, 10 degrees each, that is the 5, 6 and 7 of wands. But because it is happening in the second decan of 16 degree, so we get this 6 of wands. 6 of wands is the card of victory. So the message is very clear. If you are ready to work on yourself, if you are ready to focus on your growth, and you are ready to face the challenges, the victory is yours for sure. The 6 of wands have the air of victory with a bit of jealousy from others. So that is the only thing you have to be mindful about, inviting jealousy from others and inviting envy from others. So for that you can just include, instead of being egoistic and being yourself and like I am the boss, instead of being the boss, try to be the leader and try to inspire the people who are with you. You cannot dominate them, because the message of strength is also that you cannot tame an animal by just dominating. You have to use tactics. So that's the thing, that you have to use tactics with everyone around you, and use that compassion and love, plus include them. Inclusion is always important. So that's the message from this new moon, and you can feel this energy for this 15 days.